Hello, this is a quick screen recording to show you how to create and share documents that students can work on collaboratively in Google Classroom. So open on the screen is a grid that I'm going to share with my whole class so that they can all work on it at the same time. And it's watching some clips from some long form dramas, and the students work collaboratively on these various different sort of themes. So I'll put 3 students will be answering question 1, 3 on question 2, etc., etc. So I've already created this document, and there's 2 ways that I can get this into Google Classroom now. So I can either click on the Google Classroom Share to Classroom extension up there, so Add to Classroom, which there is a video on my YouTube channel which explains how to get that, but I'm actually going to do it the traditional way, just to make it easy for those of you who don't have that extension. So I'm going to go into my class. I'm going to go into Create, and here I want to create an assignment, and I am going to do group analysis of long form television drama clips. If I had some instructions, I'd put them in there. I'm going to go to Add, Google Drive, and then it should come up as the most recent document because I've just been working on it. But if it doesn't, you can go to your Drive and search for it, but there it is. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click Insert. And then this bit is a really important bit. It will default to students being able to view the file, but you need to click on that down arrow and choose the right option. So if I want all of my students to work collaboratively on that one document, I'm going to give them editing rights. So I'm going to say students can edit that file. Now, very important thing here. If you are going to use this with another class, you need to make more than one copy of this original document. So I might rename that for set 5. So I know when I come to share it that I'm sharing one for set 5. So I'm just going to get rid of that, and I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to go into Google Drive, and I'm going to make sure that I have selected that one which says set 5. So set 5 now have got editing rights. You can take the points off, due date, topic as usual. The other option on here is make a copy for each student, which you probably know about already, and that's if you wanted students to do it individually. So that's how you do it for a whole class. If you wanted to do this in groups, so perhaps I just wanted 6 students to work in a group, I would do exactly the same process. So I would say students can edit file, but here I would change all students, and I would just pick the students that I wanted to work on that document. And now that would just be shared with those 4 students, and they would be able to edit it. Obviously, if you are going to do it that way, then you'd need to quickly make multiple copies of this. And the easiest way to do that is to go into where it's saved, right click on it and say, make a copy. And then it will make a multiple copy there, and then you can just rename them. So group 1, group 2, group 3, etc. But most important thing is clicking on edit file if you want the students to work collaboratively. Hope that was helpful.